Hello students, hope you are fit and fine and safe at your home. Previously I shared an audio clip with you in which I discussed business idea and its various categories like problem solving categories, like change category, innovation category and competition category. Well, business idea is an important part of a business, and this is very crucial for an entrepreneur to generate idea. Idea generation is a process. It is a creative process to figure out the problem and try to find out the solutions of that problem. The entrepreneurial idea should be technical possible, socially acceptable, financially sound, and it must have utility to our customer. So now you know very well how much idea generation is important in entrepreneurship, because entrepreneur has to generate ideas and convert the generated ideas into opportunity. Well, it is really very difficult to generate idea. It can be sudden, it cannot be sudden. There are certain established technique and approaches by which an entrepreneur can generate ideas. What are those? Let's try to discuss. The very first approach is to meet customer. Of course, customer is a king of market. Yes. And prospective customer knows very well about his wants, needs and requirement. He knows what kind of products will satisfy his or her requirement. Well, a smart entrepreneur try to meet a customer and try to get information from customer regarding new product development or modification of existing product. The next method or approach is checklist method. This method is also very important, my dear students. In this method, entrepreneur develops few questions and statements on the basis of certain problems. What problems they are trying to find out? They are trying to find out the solutions of that problem. I am giving you one acronym, that is SCAMPER, SCAMPER. Generally, an entrepreneur develops questions and statements on the basis of this SCAMPER. Each letter of this acronym stands for an action. For example, S denotes substitute. It means what else instead. Means what are the other substitute of the present idea, or the present problem can be solved by what other substitute. Substitute can be in terms of places, in terms of processes, in terms of packaging material, in terms of a market. So trying to find out the substitute of a product or of an idea can be better to generate idea. The next letter in SCAMPER is C, means combine. It means blending of various ideas and to find out new idea. The next letter is A, means adapt. Next one is M, means modify. Of course, modification whether required or not. The next one is P, means put to another use. Put to another use means other use of product. It is very similar to substitute. E denotes for eliminate. If idea doesn't work or our idea is not worthwhile, we can eliminate the idea and try to find out a new idea or new concept. R for reverse. Reverse means reverse thinking. Means thinking in opposite direction. It can be negative direction. So SCAMPER is a good acronym on which an entrepreneur can develop certain questions and statements to find out the solutions of a problem. The next method which is also very important, that is brainstorming method. It is conducted by an expert and it can be in group or individual. If it is in group, 6 to 10 participants are allowed to discuss on certain problems. A good thing in brainstorming method is nobody is allowed to criticize the ideas of others. Moreover, experts encourage other participants to share larger and wider number of ideas. If we share more and more number of ideas, we can get more concrete and more feasible idea to convert into opportunity. The next method is focus group method. In focus group method, there is a moderator who leads the discussion. Discussion is open and in-depth. 8 to 14 participants are allowed in focus group method, wherein they discuss on certain problems and find out the solutions of that problem. The next method is also very important, my dear students, which is collective notebook method. It is really very important. In this method, entrepreneur distributes a small pocket notebook to all participants containing number of problems can be on each page, only problems, and rest of the part of page should be left blank. And it is expected from participants to write the solution of each problem each day, at least once in a day, but preferably they are asked to write at least 3 times in a day. And after ending of month, entrepreneur gets the notebook and collect all the solutions from every participant and trying to find out the solution of problem. This is what the collective notebook. The next method is also really very important, that is reverse thinking. Like previously in Escampo method, I told you reverse. Well, reverse means thinking in opposite direction. We can try to understand by one example. Suppose you are an entrepreneur and you want to increase your customers base in certain market, like double. So you will not think how to increase. Think in negative direction. Like what factors influences your customer base, and if you ignore those factors, your customer base will be reduced. Once you try to find out the responsible factors who may reduce your customer base, definitely you will work on that and you will try to increase your customer base in particular territory. This is what the reverse thinking means, thinking in negative direction. Like try to avoid the negative happening with your company. Next method is like role playing. In this method, participants are allowed to play a role of others. Like someone is allowing to play the role of customer, dissatisfied customer, and entrepreneur tries to understand on what basis customers' satisfaction may be enhanced. The next method is government. We can get the data from government to generate ideas. My dear students, one more method which is really very much in use and very important, that is heuristic approach of idea generation. In heuristic approach, basically we think number of concepts on certain problems. Psychiatrists also having the same approach. Psychiatrists think that ideas are based on various concepts we think and we generate in our mind. So in heuristic method, basically we club the various concepts in our mind and generate one idea. This is what the heuristic approach of idea generation. Well, Apart from these methods, there are number of more methods which are adopted by entrepreneur worldwide. Like we can generate ideas by attending seminars, conferences and workshops. We can have ideas by meeting competitors, or like analyzing the competitors movement. We can have ideas after meeting of distributors, like market intermediaries also. So these are the various methods of idea generation. Well, dear students, keep learning. This is really very high time for you, and stay home and safe at home. Thank you. Bye.